Hello friends. So our example number 3 and 1 to 8.1 exercise question number 1 to 3 and then 11 and 13. Right? These all sums are over. So now let's continue with the example number 2. And our example number 3 and 1 also over. Example number 1 about circle. Area enclosed by the circle. Now this is the example number 2. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. And we know that ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And we also know that the shape of the circle is a round shape and ellipse. Same like round shape, not round shape, but same like round shape. Okay? In the circle, example number 1, the method was 4 parts. Find the area of any one part and into 4. So, total area made by the circle. Okay? 4 into area of any one part. Same here in the ellipse, same method. Chalo. So, here ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Now making this ellipse. So here no need to decide any one case. Ellipse is horizontal shape or ellipse is vertical shape. Draw any one. बराबर कोई भी ड्रॉ करवाओ. चलो दिस इज योर इलिप्स. ओके, आपको परफेक्ट ड्रॉ करना है. डन. नाउ इलिप्स याद करो. इलिप्स केस नंबर 1 हॉरिजॉन्टल शेप. तो दिस इज द मेजर एक्स लेंथ 2a, दिस इज द माइनर एक्स लेंथ 2b, एंड दिस इज द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ एन इलिप्स. ओके, दिस वन इज द सेंटर. नाउ हियर डेटा आर ओनली इलिप्स. x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Measure, this is called measure x. A dash. And this is the minor x. B dash. Okay. Length of a dash 2a. So half length a. Half length a. So a point a0. This is not circle. Circle में क्या था? Radius a. तो this is also radius. This is also radius. So here a0, here 0 है. But this is ellipse. Ellipse में ऐसा नहीं है. Major x length 2a, half length a. So a point a0, a dash minus a0, and minor x b dash length 2b, full length 2b, half length b, half length b. So b is 0b. Okay. Upside 0b, downside 0 minus b. Done. So area of the region bounded by the ellipse. So this is the ellipse. So this is our area or not, bounded by the ellipse. So this one is our area, full area. this point is taking O. So area of the ellipse, area of the region bounded by the ellipse equal to 4 into area of one part. Okay. Area bounded by the ellipse is equal to 4 into area of OABO. Area of OABO. Done. Now area of OABO equal to 4 mod I, and where I is integration, where I equal to integration. So we need this area. So this area, so this is the limit and made by the curve 0 to A, this point 0 0, so 0 to A and made by the curve. So limit is 0 to A. We can follow both the 0 to A. So 0 and A are the values of x. So we need here y, means all we need here all x. So put the value of y and then over integration. And if we follow 0 to B, this length is B. So this is 0 to B. 0 to B अगर हम follow करें, तो same 0 to B and this part is made by the ellipse. But 0 and B are the values of y. तो हमें यहाँ पर y लिखना होगा. 0 हमने यहाँ पर क्या लिया 0 to A. 0 to A are the values of x. तो here we need y. So find the value of y. हमें y find करना है. तो y डायरेक्ट तो नहीं मिलेगा. तो y square by d square रफ में करेंगे. आपको भी रफ में ही करना है. We need here x. So we have to find y. Okay. So y square by d square equal to 1 minus x square by a square. So y square by d square equal to a square LCM. A square minus x square and upon a square. So y square equal to a square separate, b square upside multiply upon a square and bracket a square minus x square. So this is the value of y square, but we need here y. So y equal to b by a and under root a square minus x square. B by a under root a square minus x square dx. Okay. B by a is constant. B by a is constant. So taking b by a outside, I equal to b by a outside and integration of under root a square minus x square. So under root a square minus x square is our formula. Okay, a square minus x square is our formula under root. So what is the formula? X by 2 as it is plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. Okay. Integration of this term, x by 2 as it is plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. And limit 0 to a I b by a and in the bracket upper minus lower. Upper limit is a. So here a by 2 under root a square minus x equal to putting a, so a square minus a square 0 plus a square by 2 sine inverse x is a by a cut and 1. Upper limit minus lower limit is 0. So if we put here 0, so this data 0 plus a square by 2 x equal to 0, so sine inverse 0. Okay, so I equal to b by a bracket 0 plus a square by 2 sine inverse 1 means pi by 2 minus 0 minus a square by 2 and sine inverse 0 means 0. So this data 0. Now I equal to b by a into pi a square by 4. So this is the value of I. Now area of OABO. नहीं, एरिया ऑफ OABO इज 4 mod I. एक हमने कुछ गलत लिखा था. 4 mod I नहीं, mod I. 4 तो यहां पर लिखने. एरिया बाउंडेड बाय द इलिप्स इक्वल टू 4 mod I. 4 mod area of OABO. Area of OABO how to find? Mod of I. A equal to mod of I. Okay. I ready. So area of OABO ready. Now area bounded by the ellipse equal to, एक I कैलकुलेट कर लेते हैं यहां पर. A कैंसल. So I equal to pi 1 time A 1 time B by 4. So area bounded by the ellipse is equal to 4 mod I. 4 into area of OABO. So 4 into area of OABO is pi AB by 4. 4 cut. Therefore area bounded by the ellipse is equal to pi AB. Okay, this part is OABO. OABO is mod of I. Area of OABO is equal to mod of I. So I is the area of OABO, and OABO into 4 is equal to area bounded by the ellipse. So this is your ellipse sum over. Done? अब ये भी कर सकते थे. जो 0 O means 0 0 and here 0 B. So B is a Y limit. So 0 to B we can also follow 0 to B here 0 to B, but same. अगर हम यहाँ पर 0 to B लिखते हैं तो 0 and B are the values of Y. तो हमें यहाँ पर क्या फाइंड करना पड़ता x. तो x की वैल्यू भी वही आती, पर यहाँ पर y आ जाता बस. ओके, चलो तो एग्जांपल नंबर 2 ओवर. हालो तो एग्जांपल नंबर 2 ओवर. ओके, so next taking the question number 4. Okay, the example number 1 2 and 3 ready, and question number 1 2 3 ready. Next taking the number 4. Find the area of the region bounded by same ellipse, but here values, not a square and b square. So we have to decide the case कि हमारा डायग्राम horizontal or vertical. ellipse याद करो. ellipse में क्या था? If a greater than b, it means x square by a square plus y square by b square. So if a greater than b, then diagram horizontal, and a less than b, then diagram vertical. Okay. So definitely x square by a square equal to 16, so a equal to 4, and b square equal to 9, so b equal to 3. A is greater than b, 4 is greater than 3, so diagram is horizontal. And same like example number 2, but here the values. Okay, चलो एक शॉर्टकट बोलता हूं मैं यहाँ पर. एग्जाम्पल 2 में क्या था? स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. तो आंसर आपका दिया था फाइनल आंसर pi ab. तो व्हाट इज a here? 4, b 3, 4 3 जा 12 pi. इसका आंसर आपको मिलेगा 12 pi. ओके, तो लेट्स कंटिन्यू विद दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. हियर ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Okay, so now making the diagram. Horizontal. Ellipse is horizontal. Okay, so this is our ellipse. Same, a equal to 4 and b equal to 3. This is origin O, and area enclosed by the ellipse is full part. So here A, other side A dash, B and B dash. A 0 means 4 0. A is 4, so 4 0. And B 0 B 0 3. Now if we follow x limit, to take 0 to 4 and find the value of y. And if we follow y limit 0 to 3, to find x. So question is in y form. Okay. So the same pattern. Area of the ellipse bounded by the area of the region. Bounded by the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. Well, by the ellipse is equal to 4 into area of OA BO. Okay. Now area of OA BO. Is equal to area of one part is equal to mod of I. Area equal to mod of I. Where I equal to integration 0 to 4. 0 to 4. 0 and 4 are the values of x. So find y. Okay. Y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 16. Y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 16. 16 LCM, so 16 minus x square by 16. And 9 other side, so 9 by 16 and 16 minus x square, value of y square. So y equal to root of 9 by 16, 3 by 4. And under root 16 minus x square dx. Are you ready? Now 3 by 4 outside. and under root 16 minus x square integration is under root a square minus x square formula. Under root a square minus x square, x by 2 as it is, x by 2 as it is means under root 16 minus x square plus a square by 2, a square minus x square, so a square is 16, 16 by 2 sine inverse x by a square is 16, so a is 4 and limit 0 to 4. Okay, so now upper minus lower, 3 by 4, upper limit is 4. So putting here 4, so 4 by 2 and here 4, so 4 square 16 and 16 minus 16 0 plus 16 by 2 is 8. Sine inverse x means 4 and 4 by 4 cut and 1 minus lower limit 0, putting 0 here, so 0 plus 8 and here 0, so sine inverse 0. So I equal to 3 by 4 bracket 8 sine inverse 1. 8 sine inverse 1 means pi by 2 minus here 0 and here minus 8 and sine inverse 0 means 0. Now, so I equal to 3 by 4 and 8 pi by 2 is 4 pi. So I equal to 4 cut and answer 3 pi. Done? This is the I equal to 3 pi. लास्ट जो हमने सम किया था वहां पर हम भूल गए थे. पहले हमें क्या लिखना है, एरिया ऑफ OABO लिखना है, मोड ऑफ I. हेलो, सो area of OABO equal to mod of I and equal to 3 pi. Okay, now area bounded by the ellipse x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 is equal to 4 into OABO area is 3 pi. So 4 3s are 12 pi. Done? So this is our question number 4, which is over. Okay. Hello, next number 5. And number 5 also about ellipse, but ellipse equation change. Okay. So here ellipse same. Find the area of the ellipse, area of the region bounded by the ellipse. X square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. X square by 4, x square by a square equal to 4, so a equal to 2, and b square equal to 9, so b equal to 3. So 2 is less than 3. So just shape is vertical. Ellipse shape is vertical. जैसे हम दो सम में horizontal ड्रॉ किया था, सेम अभी vertical ड्रॉ करना है. Okay. चलो, here ellipse is x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. A equal to 2 and b equal to 3. So diagram is vertical. Okay? So diagram is vertical. This is your ellipse. Done? Point same. But this is the major x BB dash. यहां पर तो आपको BB dash ही लिखना है. And here A dash. This is O. And this part is the area bounded by the ellipse. same OABO. A point A0. A is 2. So 2 0 and B point 0 3. चलो दो सम हमने x लिमिट में किया था, नाउ अभी y लिमिट लेंगे, ठीक है। चलो एरिया ऑफ दिस पार्ट OABO. Now same line, area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 4 y square by 9 equal to 1 is equal to 4 into area of OABO. Now finding the area of OABO equal to mod of I, where I integration. Now taking the y limit 0 to 3. 0 to 3. 0 and 3 are the values of y. So finding here x. So x square by 4 equal to 1 minus y square by 9. Now 9 LCM. So 9 minus y square whole divide 9. Now 4 upside. So 4 by 9 and 9 minus y square. X square equal to 4 by 9 and 9 minus y square. So x equal to root of 4 by 9 is 2 by 3. And under root 9 minus y square. Answer same मिलेगा pi AB. A is 2, B is 3, 3 into 2 6 pi. 6 pi answer. Pi AB. बराबर? चलो 2 by 3 outside. And integration x by 2 as it is plus a square by 2 sin inverse x by under root 9 minus y square integration. But here y, x means here y. So x by 2 as it is, but here y by 2 as it is. 9 minus y square plus a square by 2. So 9 by 2. A square means 9. So 9 by 2. Sine inverse. X by a. X means y. Y by. A square is 9. So a is 3. And limit 0 to 3. Okay. So this is 2 by 3. And in the bracket applying upper minus lower. Upper limit is 3. If we put here 3, so 3 square 9. 9 minus 9 0. Plus 9 by 2. Sine inverse. Putting here 3, so 3 3 cut and 1. Upper limit over. Minus lower limit. Lower limit is 0. Putting 0, so this part 0. Plus here putting 0, so 9 by 2. And sine inverse 0. Okay. Now 2 by 3 bracket 9 by 2 and sine inverse 1 means pi by 2 minus this is 0 and sine inverse 0 means 0. So 2 by 3 bracket 9 pi by 4. 9 pi by 4. So answer 2 2s are and 3 3s are 3 pi by 2. I equal to 3 pi by 2. Now I is the area of OABO. So area of OABO equal to mod of I means 3 pi by 2. Now area of OABO. 4 into area of OABO is the area made by the ellipse. So area bounded by the ellipse. X square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1 is equal to 4 into I. What is I? 3 pi by 2. 2 2s are. And 2 into 3, 6 pi. मैंने आंसर तो पहले ही बोल दिया था 6 pi. Okay? चलो तो this is your question number 5. तो 1 to 5 over. Okay? Alright friends. Next taking the example number 5. Okay? So find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse and for in the ellipse taking the lines x equal to 0 and x equal to AE. पैराबोला याद करो, पैराबोला में कैसी वैल्यू थी? x equal to 0, x equal to 2. Same, these are the value x equal to 0 and x equal to AE. पैराबोला, ellipse आपको याद होना चाहिए सब, बराबर? Now, याद करो कि there are two cases in the parabola. One case is horizontal and second case is vertical. Okay? So here equation is given by x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. And here equation also same. And in this case a is greater than b, in this case a is less than b. But there is a and b, there are a and b. So from a and b we cannot decide कि a greater than b or a less than b. तो आपको एक इसेंट्रिसिटी की फॉर्मूला थी 11 चैप्टर ऑफ 11 साइंस, 11 चैप्टर कॉनिक्स, कंसेप्ट इलिप्स ऑफ स्टैंडर्ड 11. चलो a and b we cannot decide a is a and b is b, so we cannot decide a greater than b or a less than b. So from the eccentricity formula we can decide our diagram. Like here eccentricity formula b square equal to a square 1 minus e square, and here eccentricity formula a square equal to b square and 1 minus e square. So here given for the b square equal to a square 1 minus e square, it means according to case number 1. And here foci a is 0 plus or minus a is 0, it means right side a is 0, left side minus a is 0, right side plus a is 0, left side minus a is 0, and here foci is 0 plus or minus be. Okay, चलो तो अब हमें फॉलो क्या करना है दिस डायग्राम. So here ellipse is and lines are, then making the diagram, then parts and answer. Okay, so here ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and from this knot we can decide our case where a is greater than b, because case number 1. Okay, and lines are x equal to 0 and x equal to ae. Okay, now making the diagram. Horizontal diagram. So this is our ellipse. Okay. Now here not full part. Line ellipse ready, and lines are x equal to 0. So this is the line where x is 0. Here x equal to 0. Okay, x equal to 0 line is ready. Y axis, it means x equal to 0. Done. And x equal to a. तो फोकस याद करो, मैंने अभी बोला था कि फोकस इज प्लस और माइनस a is 0. तो दिस साइड दिस आर द फोकस. तो हियर प्लस a is 0 and here minus a is 0, but हमें क्या लिखना है, a is 0. तो here coordinates are a is 0, so this line is x equal to a or not. Now this is x equal to a. So here three data: area enclosed by ellipse x equal to 0 and x equal to a. So these two lines x equal to 0 and x equal to a and ellipse. So this part or not? चलो ऐसे सम तो आपने स्टार्टिंग में कर लिए. कि हियर 0, ये पॉइंट तो नहीं लेना है, बराबर। हियर 0 means O, and here A means A, B, C, D, E. ओके, हमें ये पार्ट, तो हम क्या करेंगे, we will find the area of any one part and double. तो taking the 0 to A, here x equal to 0 and x equal to A, तो 0 to A, 0 to A and 0 to A and ellipse, बराबर। याद करो कि if here 0 and here 5, so how to find 0 to 5 and any one part into double, so full part. Okay, same here. चलो तो इजी, तो और व्हाट इज द एग्जैक्ट एरिया हमें जो फाइंड करना है वो O D E A B C O, तो एरिया ऑफ द रीजन बाउंडेड बाय the ellipse and lines, ellipse इक्वेशन लिखते हैं यहाँ पर, x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, and lines x equal to 0 and x equal to AE is equal to, so area of the region bounded by the all data. What is your area? O D E A B C O, O D E A B C O, O D E A B C O, full part, बराबर। now area of ODE AB CO equal to, so this whole part is equal to finding any one part and then double, so finding OA BCO equal to 2 into area of OA BCO, okay, now area of OA BCO, OA BCO equal to mod of I, where I, अगर आपको इतना एरिया फाइंड करना है तो इतना एरिया, तो 0 to A and this area made by the ellipse, so 0 to AE, 0 and AE are the values of x, so finding the values of y, okay, तो अभी तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कि x square by a square other side 1 minus x square by a square, तो a square minus x square upon a square, and b square other side, तो b square by a square and a square minus x square and under root, so b by a under root a square minus x square dx. Are you ready? Now finding the value of I, b by a outside, and this integration is x by 2 as it is, plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and limit 0 to AE, I equal to b by a and upper minus lower, putting a, so a by 2 a by 2 and under root a square minus x square, x means a, so a square e square plus a square by 2 sine inverse, and here also putting ae by a cut and only e, upper limit over minus lower limit is 0, x equal to 0, so this data 0, and here x equal to 0, so sine inverse 0 means 0, just one time write 0 because all data 0. Okay, so therefore I b by a and bracket. So here from this under root a square common, outside becomes a square e by 2 a square e by 2, and under root, if a square common, so 1 minus e square. Because one time a तो पहले से ही था, and a square outside becomes a into a square e by 2 and under root 1 minus e square plus a square by 2 sine inverse e. Okay, therefore I equal to, can we take a square outside, b into a square by a, so bracket, and can we take 2 also outside? Okay, the outside becomes 2a. Then bracket, a square by 2 common only, e under root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. Now this is the area, sorry, this is the only I. What is I? Mod of I is the area of OABO. So area of OA BCO is equal to mod of I. Mod of I means one time एक line लिखते हैं अपन, then putting this sentence, one time a cancel, और तो I equal to upside AB, downside only 2, and e under root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. Now area of OABCO is equal to AB by 2 e under root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. So this is the only OABCO. But area of OBEABCO equal to 2 into this area. Okay. Now area of ODEABCO is equal to 2 into AB by 2 e under root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. Here 2 cancel. So final answer AB e under root 1 minus e square plus sine inverse e. Okay. Finding this area and then double. This is the answer. So here our up to 5 example number over, but 4 left. And question 1 to 5 and 11, 13 over. Okay. So now we will meet in our next lecture.